Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit the header on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, it could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section, and all you need to do, just type Google Docs and hit the enter button. That will take you to this page, and of course from here you would like to hit this first button. And now if you have an account, you would like to go and click at sign in option here to connect or to log in into your account, which will gonna open the Google Docs for you directly. Of course, if you don't have an account, as you can see here, we will have even the option to create an account for free. And even you will be able to create an account with a Gmail account or a Google account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. So once you did one of these options, so let me just choose this as an example, and let me just change to my second account, and that will actually be my home screen or my main screen. And of course from here I'll be able to create a blank or a new document. I can choose one of my recent documents, or I can choose one of their templates here and start working on it. For me, let me just open a recent documents. Let's see what we have here. Okay, we have this, so we just delete it, and that will actually be our page. So we would like, as we said, to edit the header of a Google Docs application, or sorry, website. So all we need to do, just go here to the upper side of the paper and just double click on it. Of course, when you double click on it, you'll find this notification. As you can see, introduction watermarks. You can add image or text watermark to your documents. Of course, if you did that before, you will not have this notification. And as you can see here, we will have the header, and of course we can write whatever we want here. And now if we have like a lot of pages, this header will be on the whole pages, and of course you can change it, you can do whatever you want with it. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Sorry, thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.